Wind energy is a major part of Nova Scotia's clean energy future, and it takes skilled technicians to keep it moving forward. The wind sector is growing quickly. We need technicians who are trained, safety-focused, and ready to work from day one.
It's an exciting time because the industry is growing very fast right now. This year alone, there's more projects going up than the last 10, 20 years. So it's a really good time to get into it.
There's actually not too many places in North America that are dedicated to training people to be technicians in the wind industry. So this is a significant opportunity for Nova Scotia to be a leading partner for all manufacturers.
Having programs like these gives us a really good basis of reliable technicians that we know what they have as an education and how it is really towards the wind industry.
This program is hands-on from the start. Students learn to install, troubleshoot, and maintain wind turbine systems using the same tools and processes found in the field. Building skills across electrical, mechanical, and hydraulic systems while training to global wind organization standards.
I like to climb. I like the views. I like heights.
Nova Scotia has the aim of working towards clean energy and net zero carbon emission in next few years. So it kind of attracted me that I will definitely have job opportunities in the future.
I was attracted to this program because I've seen the wind turbines going up everywhere and thought this would be an up-and-coming job market.
Because I have a brother in the industry, I learned what GWO certificate really means and what it gets you and provides you in the next step of your career.
NSCC graduates come out job ready. They understand the work, the expectations, and the importance of safety. It's hands-on, future-focused, and leads directly to real jobs. Work with your hands, build real skills, help power Nova Scotia's clean energy future.